Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You hold the glasses over a soft cloth. Begin now. First, loosen the visible hinge or nose bridge screws just enough to free the temple or lens. Do not remove completely yet. Once you feel the screw give, back it out slowly and place it on the cloth. Make sure to note screw order and orientation. This matters when reassembling. If screws are tight, apply a drop of penetrating oil, wait 1 minute, then retry using steady pressure to avoid stripping. You now remove the lenses carefully, pushing from rear center toward the rim to avoid flexing the lens. Once out, inspect the lens bevel and clean with microfiber. Position the lens into the new frame starting at the hinge side so alignment is consistent. This prevents warping. Press gently until the lens clicks into the groove, then seat the opposite edge. After both lenses are in, insert screws and tighten little by little, testing temple movement and lens stability as you finish by trying the glasses on and assessing fit. Temples must be level and the bridge should sit comfortably without pinching. If a lens pops, remove the screw, reseat the lens edge in the groove, then reinsert and tighten gradually to secure it. Should a screw strip, replace it with the same thread size or use a slightly larger driver for grip. If the frame cracks, stop and consult a professional. Remember, a small adjustment now prevents bigger problems later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.